Hey friends, what is up today? I hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video we're going to be doing something that I've always wanted to do, and we are going to be making spaghetti tacos. Yes, like in the show iCarly. If you haven't watched that, click out of this video. I don't even care, go watch it. But anyways, we're going to be testing out Spencer's spaghetti tacos to see if they actually taste good. Let's just get on with the video. So basically what you're gonna need to do is make spaghetti and have taco shells. So all you really need is spaghetti sauce, spaghetti, and taco shells. And you'll make the spaghetti just how you would make normal pasta or whatever, which is boiling water, and then you just have to put it into a taco shell, which is probably really easy. We're gonna wait for the water to boil and then we'll cook the spaghetti. And now all you have to do is put the sauce into the noodles. Now all you have to do is put the spaghetti in the tacos. And boom, you have a wonderful masterpiece. And let's see if they taste good. That actually does taste good. I'm surprised, but actually not, because Spencer knows everything. Definitely go make these if you want to be weird and experimental, so go do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments if you are gonna make these now, which you probably aren't, but just let me know in the comments and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.